Yo, welcome to the vlog. Sydney's 23rd birthday. We're in her brand new fucking car. She paid for it, by the way, for all you out there. We're gonna do a little car. Why are their neighbors coughing? Anyways, I don't even know what car this is, but I feel like my ass is sticking out. What kind of car is this? Tour. So this is the front. This is the side. This is it. Woo!
Summer, Naomi was going to come, but it's also her mom's birthday today, so she had to.
I'm living in a fucking movie. Okay, so watch the vlog. I know it's really popular.
We ain't never hating in the shade, so me and you ain't never in the same room. I tell him that you get this good form, and when he gets his turkey, he got good form. He know I don't ever cheat because I'm good form.
Where's the part where it's like?
Come on.
Every time I see cops, like I'm literally going 10 over at least. I literally hit my brakes so hard.
I'm probably with my jeweler playing freeze tag. I tell him that you get this good form, and when he gets his turkey, he got good form.
What is this? No broken hearts in the club. Let me hear you say no broken hearts in the club. No tears in the club. We only got one life.
I got legal permission to. Look at that shit. So clean. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pay just because it's pretty early. And usually I don't pay.
And just because it's not worth a fucking $307 ticket and a tow.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Alright. Here you go.
Sorry, I gotta close my sunroof. Ooh. It's in like an alcohol.
I know, because I had to reuse what we had.
Oh my gosh, I love this!
Bro, I was like, this is so Sydney.
And it's like in my favorite color. Wait, this is so funny because I was just looking at like one of these by Starbucks. Oh, there's something in here?
I was gonna get candy, but
thank
something
you.
a little small.
Me and my jewelry. I'm gonna put it on.
I have
It's so
to get
funny
this.
because like there's like a Starbucks one like that the other day. Actually, it was yesterday. My sister was like looking at them because she like bought one, and I saw one like this, and I was like, oh, this would be great for my car because my water bottle doesn't fit in my cup holder. And I was like, oh, I don't need it right now. Like, I'll just get like a $40 Stanley cup instead because that's so much more efficient than buying like a $20 whatchamacallit. How do I tighten this? It's for moments like these where I packed deodorant because I'm a sweaty. Yeah, no, I just sweat a lot.
Bro, I used to wear that kind of deodorant, but now I wear guy deodorant. Freaking, what's it called?
But does it stain your armpits white?
Oh no, I use the white stuff. What's that brand that the guys use? It's like in the red stuff. Yeah, I use Old Spice brand, but like it's like the white kind.
I love the smell of Old Spice.
I like guy deodorant because it's just stronger. Freckleicious definition and boys go so
big.
I didn't know Jennifer Lopez.
Have you seen her on the dance floor? She got the moves. Look, it has bedazzles around it.
I thrive to be like you, like freaking clean car, like keep everything clean. What kind of car is this?
Kia Forte GT line 2022.
I always just meant like Kia, Honda. It's not alcohol, it's Celsius. Even it looks like alcohol. I don't know what they're trying to do there.
I have nature sounds.
This is like a freaking like Tesla 2.0. Like nature sounds. Alright, let's meditate, y'all. Okay, that's a little much. That one, right? I don't like it. What the fuck? Okay.
I like this one. I also have this.
You don't think I need my sticky boobs dry? Because I literally brought them.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna leave them. Okay, I need to be confident as not give a because like it's not gonna work if I'm not with this. Okay, we'll see. I don't know how that's how it works. Accepting sugar daddies.
Hey, I can do a sugar baba too.
Oh look, period. We winning. Happy Pride Month. It's Tori and Tori. Yeah, Tori and Tori.
Vlog.
Yes, get me in the vlog.
Vlogging.
Client's abuser pretended to have a seizure so that he wouldn't be charged. But he still did. I was like, are you serious?
The fuck home.
I'm shaking. Oh! It's not a picture, it's a video. It's gonna go on YouTube. Oh! Where are we? What is this called? We're at Rosedale. Cincinnati, Ohio. We've been doing this. Don't read. Wait, I want to do a TikTok too. Is he a flirt?
Yeah, it's a flirt.
Wow, what a loser.
Wait, freeze! Right here, right here, right here. Perfect. My card's right in there. Here, today.
Are you getting out?
Yeah.
Oh,
My card's here.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it